3 things that you can do to welcome new, positive, abundant, prosperous energy into your home. First thing is you need to make sure that you cleanse your house. Now, how do you cleanse your house? First things first is declutter your house. Get rid of anything that you haven't used for 6 months. Now, that's a little difficult in an Indian household. So get rid of anything that you haven't used in 1 year. Okay, give it away, throw it away, but do not keep it. Objects like clocks and watches that don't work, get rid of them or get them repaired or just give them away, because they will stop your time. Never keep any locks that don't have chabi, okay, that don't have keys. Those will give you problems and situations and there'll be no solution to it. It's fine to have keys with no locks, but it's not okay to have locks with no keys. Okay, go to all the corners of your house and just do this, okay, like a cupping, this action where you just cup and you create this effect in all the corners of your house, because negative energy goes and gets stuck in the corners. Then you get yourself smudge pots, okay, and you burn them in all the rooms in your house, because the smoke will go and cut through negative energy. Now, if you do very little of it, if you don't do enough of smudging, if you don't have enough smoke coming out of the smudge pots, if you do conjuicy with the smudge pots, is what I'm saying, then you'll suddenly have negative energy move from one place to another, and then you'll have things breaking. You'll have a bulb breaking, you'll have some glass breaking. So you need to make sure that it's smudged properly. And last but not the least, get yourself some orange oil, or you can get road opener oil, or you can get BMR oil. You can put that in your pocha water, and whichever oil you put, which is a cleansing formula. So BMR is one, jinx breaking is one, road opener is one. Put it in the pocha water and mop your house with that. You can also add a teeny bit of BMR salt in it, just a little bit, and that will cleanse your floor, cleanse the energy in your house. And to attract the good energy, keep cinnamon in the entrance of your house, and so much yummy energy and prosperity energy and money energy will start coming into your life.